Welcome back to my channel Petsman. This is my video review for top 3 best dog grooming tables. The first one is Go Pet Club Pet Grooming Table with Arm 42-inch. Grooming table with arm available in 30 to 48-inch. The Go Pet Club Grooming Table is great investment for any professional or in-home groomers. All our tables come with the grooming arm and lash loop that is easily attached or tabletop with a clamp. Our tabletop have a Dulux aluminum alloy edging paired with the waterproof top layer, preventing absorption and warping of food under. The second one is Polar Aurora Pinkay Black 36 and 48-inch heavy-duty pet professional dog show foldable grooming table. Dulux aluminum edging paired with the high-quality pure rubber matting, which ensures the pet's safety. Static-free board with the skid resistance make it easy to clean. Hair and debris can be whipped down easily. Adjustable grooming arm length 36-inch. Tool basket included. Weight capacity 330 lbs. Professional high-quality grooming table. Our grooming table has a unique dog bone shape and gold-posted style leg allow for easy fold up. Easy to assemble and fold for compact storage to save space. You can just put it in any small corner when you do not need. Rust-resistant steel will not rust or corrode like a chrome. Rendered edge for greater safety. Every end of the stainless steel leg and designed to use rubber caps to make the table stand and more stable and prevent the floor from being scratched. The third one is Sunco 48-inch portable pet dog grooming table for large dog professional foldable drying training table. Safe, durable and easy to clean. Sunco grooming table is made for stainless steel arm, table leg and durable wood boarded, which enable it to be anti-rust and durable. The tabletop comes with the coated anti-slip layer, round corner and stainless steel warped edge, stop moisture leaking through into the wooden material below. Built to last and easy to clean. Strong metal leg feature gold posted style, stable and folded easy. The storage basket can be removed, hold and large mount for pet supplies. Great for grooming, training, dressing, drying, etc. Outfitted with a movable and 40-inch tall adjustable frame grooming arm and nose to better fit for various pets of different sizes. One could simply use the clamp and security loop to keep them in position for extended grooming session. The perfect height of this table make it a better bag saver. The capped feet protector his dog table from slipping even on weathering floor. High quality non-toxic board with the equisted stainless steel edge. Durable stainless steel leg make it firm, long-lasting grooming table for dog. That's all for now. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.